welcome to another episode of 3 Minutes to Finite, brought to you by One Tree Hill. The matter at hand is the not so complicated mega rights issue by Reliance Industries. Almost all the basic information is mentioned along with a few useful links in the video description below, so make sure you have a look at it. Great, let's get down to business and see if there's any truth to any of the opportunities that are flooding your WhatsApp groups as we speak. Under normal circumstances, this would have gotten converted into a normal share. But since this is a part payment across time, this has to list as a separate partly paid up share. In fact, someone came up to me and told me, you pay 25% and get a full share of Reliance. Now obviously that's too good to be true, and hopefully you didn't believe that. So the next relevant question is, what should this partly paid up share trade at? Let's say you had but 1 rupee to pay to convert this into a full equity share. Ideally, this would have traded at the current market price of the underlying minus 1. Similarly, if we have the 75% to be yet paid, it should trade at the current market price minus this 75%. However, this would just be the intrinsic value, and there will be an additional time value or cost of capital attached to this. This is exactly what we are seeing in the market right now. This rights entitlement is trading purely on the cost of capital. If we buy this, we would still have to pay the 25% on application. With the remaining 75%, we can make an FD at 6% to mature at the 75%, and that would work out to around 890. If we add up the 3 components of the 25%, of the FD, and what we paid for the rights entitlement, that works out to around 1395. Hence now I could sell a Reliance future against this, but I would make a measly 1.8% absolute return, with risk relating to rollover, actual call time, etc. still remaining. You could definitely try and bid for more shares and work the spread out accordingly. We've also attached an Excel sheet for your ready reference. Don't forget to subscribe.